In a mystical forest, animals gathered to learn about the earth's secrets. Wise Owl explained how the ground sometimes trembles. It's the earth's way of speaking, he said. Curious Rabbit asked, how do we know when it will speak? Owl replied, we listen to the whispers of the wind and watch the dance of the leaves. Suddenly, the ground shook gently. See? Owl smiled. The earth is whispering now. The animals realized that understanding nature's signs was like reading a magical book. And so they learned to listen, predicting the earth's gentle whispers.